Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most challenging and exciting milestones for parents, potty training. Potty training can be a daunting task, but with the right approach and some patience, it can be done successfully. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible for both you and your little one. Step 1: Timing. The first step in potty training is determining the right timing. Each child is different and some may be ready to start potty training as early as 18 months, while others may not be ready until they are 3 or 4 years old. It's important to pay attention to your child's development and readiness cues, such as showing interest in the toilet, being able to pull their own pants up and down, and staying dry for longer periods of time. It's also important to note that girls tend to potty train earlier than boys, as boys may not have the same level of muscle control and coordination. Additionally, boys may be more resistant to potty training due to the fact that they are not as interested in the potty training process as girls. Step 2: Preparation. Once you've determined that your child is ready to start potty training, it's time to prepare. This includes purchasing a child-sized potty, underwear, and possibly a step stool for them to use. It's also important to make sure that your child is comfortable with the potty and understands what it's used for before you start the training process. You can do this by reading books about potty training, watching videos, or even by letting your child watch you or older siblings use the toilet. This can give them a better understanding of the process and make them more comfortable with the idea. Step 3: Encouragement and positive reinforcement. Potty training can be a long process, so it's important to encourage and positively reinforce your child's efforts. When they successfully use the potty, be sure to praise them and give them a small reward, such as a sticker or a small toy. It's also important to be patient and not get frustrated if there are accidents. Accidents are a normal part of the potty training process, and getting upset or angry will only make the process more difficult for your child. You can also try to make the process more fun by using stickers or charts to track your child's progress, or by making a game out of potty training by giving rewards for every time they use the potty successfully. Step 4: Consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to potty training. It's important to establish a routine and stick to it as much as possible. This includes regular potty breaks, reminding your child to use the potty before and after activities, and making sure that they are wearing appropriate clothing that is easy for them to take on and off. It's also important to be consistent with the language you use when talking to your child about the potty. Using the same words and phrases can help them understand the process better. Step 5: Gradual transition. Finally, when your child is consistently using the potty and staying dry for longer periods of time, it's time to make the transition to underwear. Start with short periods of time, such as during the day, and gradually increase the amount of time they spend in underwear until they are completely potty trained. Conclusion. Potty training can be a challenging and time-consuming process, but with the right approach and some patience, it can be done successfully. Remember to pay attention to your child's development and readiness cues, prepare properly, encourage and positively reinforce your child's efforts, establish a consistent routine, and make a gradual transition to underwear. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you next time.